Donate a car in UMA. When you think of collectible donations, you might picture giving away money or old clothes. However, donating a car can be just as impactful. Your old, unused car can become a valuable resource for nonprofit organizations that rely on donated vehicles to support their missions. Whether it is a charity that helps low income families, veterans, or individuals with disabilities, your car can provide essential transportation for those in need. Why donate a car? Known for its strong sense of community and philanthropy, by donating your car in the state, you are contributing to this culture of giving back. You are not only helping people in your local community but also reducing your environmental footprint by recycling your old vehicle in an eco-friendly manner. How to donate your car? Donating a car in UA is a straightforward process and you do not need to be a legal adult to do it. Here is a simple step-by-step guide. Find a reputable charity. Start by researching local charities or non-profit organizations that accept car donation. Make sure they are registered as 501(c)(3) non-profits, as this ensures your donation is tax deductible. Contact the charity. Reach out to your chosen charity to inquire about their card donation program. They will guide you through the process and provide any necessary paperwork. Prepare your car. Clean out your car and remove all personal belongings. Make sure you have the car's title, which proves your ownership. If you cannot find the title, contact your local Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) to obtain a duplicate. Arrange for pickup. Most charities offer free towing or pickup services for donate vehicles. Schedule a convenient time for them to collect your car. Receive a donation receipt. Once your car is picked up, the charity will provide you with a donation receipt. Keep this receipt for tax purpose. Claim your tax deduction. When it's tax season, you can claim a deduction for your car donating a your federal income tax return. Consult with the tax professional for guidance on how to maximize your deduction. The impact of your donation. By donating your car, you are directly contributing to have the well-being of others in your community. Your old car could provide transportation for someone who needs it to get to work, attend medical appointments, or achieve other essential tasks. It is a tangible way for young students like you to make a difference and learn about the value of giving back. In conclusion, donating your car is a simple and meaningful way to contribute to your community. It allows you to help those in need while also gaining a valuable lesson in philanthropy. So, if you have an old car sitting in your driveway, consider giving it a new purpose by donating it to a worthy cause. Your small act of kindness can have a big impact.